Hello students, today we are going to learn one of the type of differential equation, that is obtain the differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants from the following equation. Question number 1, y is equal to a e raised to 3x plus b e raised to minus 3x. Now first we will observe the given equation carefully. Then two constants are present in the given equation, so we can differentiate the given equation two times, and after differentiating the equation two times, both the arbitrary constants a and b should be eliminated, and for the last equation, whichever will be the differential equation, that should be free from the constant. So here a and b are two constants present. That means we can differentiate the given equation two times, not more than that. So differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to a, derivative of e raised to 3x is e raised to 3x into derivative of 3x plus b e raised to minus 3x into derivative of minus 3x. So here we have derivative of 3x as 3, derivative of minus 3x as minus 3. So dy by dx is equal to 3a e raised to 3x minus 3b e raised to minus 3x, because this minus 3 and this plus will become minus 3b. Again differentiating with respect to x. As we know here two constants are present in the given equation, we can differentiate two times. So again differentiating with respect to x. So derivative of dy by dx will be d square y by dx square. 3a constant, derivative of e raised to 3x is e raised to 3x into derivative of 3x. Minus 3b constant, derivative of e raised to minus 3x is e raised to minus 3x into derivative of minus 3x. So here we have derivative of 3x as 3, derivative of minus 3x as minus 3. So we have multiplying this 3 into 3 as 9a e raised to 3x. Here also minus 3 into minus 3, that is plus 9. So plus 9b e raised to minus 3x. Here since 9 is the constant in both the term, we can take 9 common, and in bracket we will get a e raised to 3x plus b e raised to minus 3x, and we call this as equation number 2. Now if we compare equation 1 and 2, then we can say that this bracket term is nothing but y. So we can substitute y here instead of this bracket term. So we have d square y by dx square is equal to 9y from equation 1 and 2. And now you can see that for the given equation, differentiating two times and further simplifying, we are getting differential equation which is free from the given constants. So d square y by dx square minus 9y is equal to 0 is the differential equation. Now question number 2. Y is equal to c2 plus c1 upon x. We call this equation as equation 1. Now here also two constants are present, c1 and c2. That means we can differentiate the given equation two times, not more than that. And after differentiating two times, whichever the equation we will get, that will be free from the constant, and that will be the differential equation which we require. So differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to derivative of c2 is 0, because no variable is present, c2 is constant, so derivative is 0, plus c1 into derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. So we have dy by dx is equal to minus c1 upon x square. Now shifting x square to this side, we have dy by dx into x square is equal to minus c1. We call this as equation number 2. Equation number 2. Then as we know, again we can differentiate this with respect to x. So here we have two terms. So we are going to apply u into v rule. So here we will get dy by dx into derivative of x square plus x square into derivative of dy by dx is equal to derivative of minus c1 as 0, because that is the constant term. Here we have applied u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. So dy by dx into derivative of x square as 2x plus x square into derivative of dy by dx, that is d square y by dx square, is equal to 0. Now we can write this as x square into d square y by dx square plus 2x into dy by dx is equal to 0. You can check that in this equation c1 and c2 terms are not present. That means this is the simplified form. This is the differential equation which is free from the constants. Now question number 3. Y is equal to c1 plus c2 into x e raised to x. We call this as equation 1. E raised to x is given outside the bracket. Now here also c1 and c2, two constants are present. That means we can differentiate this equation 2 times. Shifting e raised to x to this side, we will get y upon e raised to x is equal to c1 plus c2 into x. Now this term we can write as y into e raised to minus x is equal to c1 plus c2x. We call this as equation number 2. Now differentiating with respect to x, here we will use u into v rule. So y derivative of e raised to minus x plus e raised to minus x derivative of y is equal to derivative of c1 is 0 plus derivative of c2 into x is c2. So y as it is, derivative of e raised to minus x as e raised to minus x into derivative of minus x plus e raised to minus x into derivative of y, that is dy by dx, is equal to c2. So we have y e raised to minus x into minus 1 plus e raised to minus x into dy by dx is equal to c2. After simplification, we will get minus y e raised to minus x plus e raised to minus x dy by dx is equal to c2. Now again we will differentiate with respect to x. Since two constants are present, we can differentiate the term 2 times. Now this minus sign will be as it is outside the bracket, and inside the bracket we will use u into v rule. So y derivative of e raised to minus x plus e raised to minus x into derivative of y plus, here also for the second term again we will use u into v rule for the simplification. So we have e raised to minus x derivative of dy by dx plus dy by dx derivative of e raised to minus x is equal to 0. Now minus sign as it is outside the bracket, here we have y into derivative of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x into derivative of minus x, that is minus 1, plus e raised to minus x into derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx plus e raised to minus x into derivative of dy by dx as d square y by dx square plus dy by dx derivative of e raised to minus x as e raised to minus x into minus 1, which is the derivative of minus x, is equal to 0. Now we are going to open the bracket. So here we have minus minus plus. So y into e raised to minus x minus e raised to minus x into dy by dx plus e raised to minus x d square y by dx square minus e raised to minus x into dy by dx is equal to 0. Here we have minus sign and here plus sign, so plus minus minus. Now these terms are present 2 times, so we can write y into e raised to minus x minus 2 times e raised to minus x dy by dx plus e raised to minus x d square y by dx square is equal to 0. Now everywhere in all the three terms e raised to minus x is present. So we can take e raised to minus x common. In bracket we will get y minus 2 dy by dx plus d square y by dx square is equal to 0. Now this term will become 0. So we have the equation as y minus 2 dy by dx plus d square y by dx square. Same term we can write like this: d square y by dx square minus 2 dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Now question number 4. Y is equal to c1 e raised to 3x plus c2 e raised to 2x. Here also two constants are present, so we can differentiate two times to get the differential equation. Now here we can divide both sides by e raised to 2x because the given equation will be more simplified by dividing both sides by e raised to 2x. So we will get y upon e raised to 2x is equal to c1 e raised to 3x upon e raised to 2x plus c2 e raised to 2x upon e raised to 2x. So here we will get y into e raised to minus 2x because this denominator term, if we write in numerator, the raised to term will become minus. And here we know that this term we can write as e raised to 3x minus 2x. And here e raised to 2x, e raised to 2x both gets cancelled, so we have only c2. And after simplifying this term, here we will get c1 as it is into e raised to x. Now this is more simplified form as compared to the first one. Now we can differentiate with respect to x. For the left hand side term, we will use u into v rule. So y into derivative of e raised to minus 2x plus e raised to minus 2x into derivative of y. And to the right side we will write c1 into derivative of e raised to x as e raised to x plus derivative of c2 as 0. Now after differentiating we will get y into e raised to minus 2x as it is into derivative of minus 2x plus e raised to minus 2x into derivative of y with respect to x as dy by dx is equal to c1 e raised to x. Now derivative of this term as minus 2 and this minus 2 and y will become minus 2y and remaining terms will be as it is. Now we know that as two constants were present in the given equation, we can differentiate that equation two times. So again we can differentiate, but before that dividing throughout by e raised to x so that we will get the simplified form. So after dividing we will get minus 2y e raised to minus 2x minus x plus e raised to minus 2x minus x into dy by dx is equal to c1 because this side e raised to x will get cancelled. Now further simplification we will get minus 2y e raised to minus 3x plus e raised to minus 3x dy by dx is equal to c1. Now again differentiating with respect to x, minus 2 is constant. In bracket we will apply u into v rule, y into derivative of e raised to minus 3x plus e raised to minus 3x into derivative of y plus for the second term also again we will use u into v rule. So we will get e raised to minus 3x into derivative of dy by dx plus dy by dx into derivative of e raised to minus 3x and is equal to 0. Now derivative of e raised to minus 3x as e raised to minus 3x into derivative of minus 3x as minus 3. Here derivative is dy by dx. Here derivative is d square y by dx square. And here derivative is e raised to minus 3x into derivative of minus 3x, that is minus 3. So after simplification we will get this term. We are going to multiply the bracket term by minus 2 and after opening the bracket we will get this term. Now here we can take e raised to minus 3x common and remaining terms will be this. Now minus 2 dy by dx and minus 3 dy by dx together we can write as minus 5 dy by dx. And this e raised to minus 3x term will be 0 if we shift that term to the right hand side. And therefore the equation will be 6y minus 5 dy by dx plus d square y by dx square is equal to 0. And this equation we can write as d square y by dx square minus 5 dy by dx plus 6y is equal to 0. And this is the required differential equation. In next lecture again we will continue with the differential equation. Thank you students.